Today we are going to discuss what is Salesforce for absolute beginners. So let's first understand what is Salesforce and then we'll talk about the different product and services the Salesforce offers. So Salesforce is basically a name of a particular company which provide cloud-based services. Okay. So Salesforce is not a CRM or any other thing. This is just a name of a particular company which provide cloud-based services. Now, if you go through the market, and research about how many different type of companies which provide cloud-based services, there are a lot many of them. And any company which provide cloud-based services basically provide three different type of services. First one is infrastructure as a service. The next one is platform as a service, and the third one is software as a service. Okay. So these are the three different type of services that cloud-based companies used to provide. We'll talk about this infrastructure as a service and platform as a service in detail in some other videos. Let's just focus on software as a service. Okay. So the best example of software as a service is Gmail and Facebook. Okay, these are the two best examples that you might be using on daily basis. These are the two best examples of software as a service that you might be using on daily basis. Now, so this the services, these both the services are hosted on the cloud, and you just need a login ID and password to access your email on Gmail and your social media activities on Facebook. Similar to this, Salesforce created a CRM and hosted it on cloud. So Salesforce is not a CRM. Salesforce is a company which has created a CRM and started providing it as software as a service because they have hosted this particular CRM on the cloud. Similar to what Gmail and Facebook did, the same thing is been done by Salesforce, but they are providing email services and social media services. But here Salesforce has provided a CRM and they are providing it as a software as a service. Okay. So people started calling it as Salesforce CRM, but Salesforce is a company name and they are providing software as a service, and in that they have provided CRM as part of their service. Okay. So let's first discuss what is CRM and then we'll talk about who is going to avail this service from Salesforce. So what is CRM? CRM is a customer relationship management tool, and in simple language it is similar to the database, okay, where you can store information. Even you can compare it with your phone memory or hard disk in your computer where you store information. But CRM is used by businesses for a specific purpose. Let us see one comparison between a CRM and a normal database. So here I have, let's just consider that this is a CRM and this is a database. So a normal database is like any storage device where you can save any kind of information like your photos, videos, anything you can store over there. So this is a kind of normal database or a storage device where you are storing your information in the form of photos, videos, or any other information you are storing over there. But CRM is a special database. So here, this is a special database which companies use to track their ongoing business activities. Okay. So if your sales rep sell any kind of product at XYZ rate or price and wanted to have a record of it, they will store into a CRM, which they call it as a which might be a database. Okay, so the database they are going to use to store this type of information to keep a track of business activities or ongoing activities in their businesses. Then that particular information is going to be stored in some kind of a special database, and they used to call it as a CRM. Okay, so till now what we understand, Salesforce is a company which provide cloud-based services and they are providing a CRM as part of their software as a service. Now let's just talk about who are their target audience. Okay, so Salesforce is doing B2B business. Okay, they are doing B2B business. Okay, so which simply means that they are targeting, other businesses which are selling any product to their customer or providing any kind of services, because all these companies need a CRM. Okay, so any business who's selling any kind of product, or who is providing any kind of service to their customers, they need a CRM. Why they need a CRM? Because this is because the CRM is going to help them to automate their business processes, track down their business activities in order to analyze the data, like which customer or which customer has bought the particular product, and from which area the sales has grown up, in which area they need to focus more, what are particular type of product is having more sales, all kind of analytical analysis they can do on their data. So this is like all these activities are simply going to improve their sales and eventually help them to generate more revenue. Okay, so Salesforce is simply a company which is providing cloud-based services. CRM is the first software as a service they have started providing, and this is a kind of tool which businesses used to use in order to track down their business activities. This is the simplest example of what is Salesforce. So that's all about Salesforce. If you like this video and wanted to see more such videos on Salesforce, consider subscribing the channel, and let me know in the comment if you want me to have more videos on Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and Service Cloud.